Hey. In this video, I want us to go over 10 simple yet tangible things that you can actually do to increase the amount of love you show yourself and how to just pick yourself up during the times where you feel the most down and discouraged. If you're feeling especially down and out, it is the perfect time at that point in time to go get your outfits out of your closets or out of the drawer and put them on. Dressing up will make you feel so much better about yourself. Just looking beautiful will make you feel a lot more alive, a lot more alert, and just quite frankly, feeling beautiful. The second thing that I want to encourage you to do, and I know you've heard this one before, do not compare yourself. Do not compare your life, your challenges, or your successes to those challenges and successes of others. Because here is the thing. We all know that we lead very different lives and we have very different resources, and it makes no plausible sense to be comparing our life situations to other people's life situations because we're all so very different and we all have different paths that we need to travel. So focus on you and doing the things that you need to do to improve your life situations, and do so with grace and the best amount of joy that you can find. The third thing that I want to encourage you to do is to take care of your skin. Yes, whenever you're feeling down and out, looking at yourself or seeing your pictures or whatever the case might be, and you have blemishes and probably different skin pigmentations, just any little thing that you can have the power to rectify, if they're not rectified, I guarantee you, sis, you're gonna feel so much worse about yourself. However, if you start to incorporate a skincare regimen, one that allows you to clear up those flaws, those minor flaws that you might feel like you have, that will help to encourage you. That will help to make you feel so much better. And by that, I'm talking about simple things like drinking more water, taking more time to actually rest, actually get the ample amount of sleep that you need to be able to go through your days. Exercising is another thing. And really, what is your skincare regimen like? What are the things that you do in the mornings and at nights when you wake up out of bed and when you're about to go to bed? What are the products that you put on your face, or what are the products that you will never put on your face? Those are things to consider. The fourth thing is to have a good supportive system. When I say good supportive system, I mean positive friends, supportive family, people who are speaking life into your life into your dreams, not people who are pessimistic. And I'm not talking about people who are keeping it real with you, because every now and then we need to get a reality check, right? But I'm speaking specifically about surrounding yourself with people who are going to help to breathe life into your dreams and to cheer you on so that you have that added support just to get things done. The fifth thing is to feel encouraged to grow. Challenge yourself to grow physically and mentally. And when I say mentally, I mean something as very simple as reading a book. You don't have to read just any old book. Find a book that has things to do with what you're interested in, so that the reading process is actually a lot more fun while you're actually growing. And physically, go ahead and do some exercises as I'd listed before. Exercising and physical growth will actually help you to feel better about yourself on a consistent basis. The sixth thing that I want us to focus on is don't depend on anyone, especially any one person outside of yourself, to bring you joy. Be your own joy so that you can have people who are in your life as your support system add to that joy. And if they're unable to add to that joy, you're protecting your energy so much that them having a bad day or even lashing out on you, because let's face it, this is real life, things happen all the time, it doesn't affect you to the point where you're now feeling depressed, sad, down, and further out of it. The seventh thing that I want to encourage you to do is to turn your passion into cash. I know that there are so many online stores and there are so many online courses, and all these people have decided that they wanted to turn their passion into something that could be profitable for them. I'm not saying to quit your job. I'm not saying to go out there and dive deep into an entrepreneurial effort, but I am encouraging you to test the waters to see if you can actually have your passion become profitable. The eighth thing that I'd like to encourage you to do is to quiet your mind. There are times that I feel I'm always thinking, I'm always going, there's always something else to do. And I know many of my sisters out there are having similar challenges. But with that being said, it is so important to take a moment or two to quiet our minds. We can do this by meditation, or we can play some very soothing music, light a few candles. Heck, yeah, we could even put that into our self-care regimen. We can do that at the end of every single day, tapping into ourselves, quieting our minds so that we can feel rejuvenated to take on the next day or the next task. The ninth thing that I want to encourage you to do is to count your blessings. Count your blessings. There are so many simple things that we overlook on a daily basis that if they were not in our lives would be that much more complicated. So look for those things, jot them down if you need to, journal if you need to, and if you don't need to do all of that, you can just see them and call them for what they are, then go ahead, sis, and do that. The 10th and final thing that I'd love to encourage you to do, be kind and loving to yourself. And I guarantee you, once you put all these things into practice, other people will start treating you the way how you treat yourself, because you are then teaching them how you will accept being treated. If you have enjoyed this video, I guarantee you, you might actually like another video that I did, how to level up mentally, self-love, love yourself 101. Thank you so much for kicking it with me today. Don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you soon. Bye.